Alright, guys. It is Monday, November 30th, 2020 at 1:11 p.m. Alright, guys. So, December is beginning soon. November is over. It is the end of hurricane season finally today. Thank goodness we made it safely through. Prayers for those people who lived in Louisiana and went through all those hurricanes and had to deal with the multiple storms. Thank goodness we made it through hurricane season safely. I always try and give heads up and warnings and make videos about hurricane season, so I'm glad that it's finally over today. Hopefully, no random hurricanes come up in December, but you never know. It is 2020. Alright, guys, let's take a look at these stories. Mysterious Arthur C. Clarke style monolith appears in Romania after unexplained metal vanished from Utah. So, who or what put it there? The mysterious metal monolith has appeared in northern Romania after another vanished from the desert in Utah. The shiny triangular pillar was found in Bakatas Domine Hill in the city of Piatra Neamt last Thursday. One side of the structure, which is 13 feet tall, faces Mount Sehalu, known locally as the Holy Mountain. It says here, a mysterious metal monolith has appeared in Romania this week after another similar structure found in the remote Utah desert was removed by an unknown party. The shiny triangular pillar was found in Botka Domne Hill in the city of Pietra Neamt in northern Romania last Thursday. It was spotted a few meters away from a well-known archaeological landmark, the Petrova Dakai Fortress, a fort city built in the ancient Dakai people between 82 BC and AD 106. The peculiar find comes after a similar smooth monolith was found in the Utah desert with no explanation, sparking wry speculation that it could be a work of aliens, but is most likely the work of a prankster inspired by a science fiction novel, 2001, A Space Odyssey. In the book by Arthur C. Clarke, later made into a film by Stanley Kubrick, the monolith first appears on Earth in Africa 3 million years ago and appears to confer intelligence upon a starving tribe of great apes to develop tools. So here is more images of the mysterious monolith, or close-ups of it. It says a shiny triangular pillar found in Botkai Domine Hill in the city of Petr Nemt in northern Russia last Thursday. And here is the pillar. This pillar seems to have little swirls all over it. And here's the funny thing. I saw the picture of this pillar, I believe it was yesterday evening, and it did not have these swirls on it. So that's quite interesting. It says it was spotted a few meters away from the well-known archaeological landmark, the Petrova Dakian Fortress, which is the oldest historical monument in Pietranam. And here is the map of Romania and the location of the monolith. Here, northwest of Bacău and below Pietra Neamt here in Romania. Alright, guys, so if you were wondering where the monolith is, that is where it is located. Alright, now let's take a look at the next story. Meteor as bright as a full moon caught on camera in Japan. Says a brightly burning meteor was seen plunging from the sky in wide areas of Japan, capturing attention on television and social media. The meteor glowed strongly as it rapidly descended through the Earth's atmosphere on Sunday. Many people in western Japan reported on social media seeing the rare sight. NHK Public Television said its cameras in central prefectures of Aichi, Mie, and elsewhere captured the fireball in the southern sky. Here is the video. Let's take a look at it. See what this fireball looks like. Alright, from Japan. Boom. There it is. Wow, that is pretty bright. Let's rewind that a little bit and see that flash again. Wow, yeah. So they're saying it is as bright or brighter than the moon when it flashed. So that is pretty amazing. It says some experts said small fragments of the meteorite may have reached the ground. We believe the last burst of light was as bright as the full moon. Takai Inoue, director of Akai Municipal Planetarium, told Kyoto News Agency. Alright, so a pretty bright meteor. And finally, we have brutal hailstorm kills dozens of swans and geese in Utah. So more than 36 swans were killed and injured, another 8 injured during a brutal hailstorm that swept through Davis and Salt Lake counties in Utah earlier this month. According to officials, more birds amongst these, also geese, are still being called in from residents. So a couple of geese and birds were injured because of hailstorms. Alright, let's take a look quickly here at my channel, Space River News, on Twitter. It says earthquake alerts. A 5.0 magnitude earthquake hit 6 to 5 kilometers from Simbang, Ike, Indonesia. So a rather larger earthquake, a 5.0, hit Indonesia. Also, from latest in space, amazing alignment of Earth, the Moon, and Venus and Jupiter seen from the International Space Station. Let's take a look at these pictures. Look at that. So we have the Moon, Venus, and Jupiter seen from the International Space Station, aligned. There you go, in the night sky from the space station. That is a pretty amazing view. Alright. Also, heavy rains caused powerful mudslides, which covered the street of Bidi city center in Italy. Huge mudslides full of debris and rocks engulfed this Italian town by AccuWeather. Also, snow from James Spann. Snow in Granbury, Tennessee from Elizabeth Graves. Let's take a look at this video. So we have snow in Tennessee. Look at that. The cold front coming down is affecting the area. That is beautiful. Alright. From the New York Post, Governor Cuomo says New York hospitals close to capacity as COVID-19 cases surge. And also from Weather Nation says today is finally the end of climatological hurricane season. Keep in mind though that any additional named storms to December 31st will be attributed to 2020. And then it shows a video of the tracks of the record-breaking 31 tropical system tracks this season. Also from Severe Weather EU, first snow of the season for Bucharest, Romania, today on November 30th, thanks to Andrei Buki and the report posted with permission. It says here, the video posted with permission, and it shows the snow happening in Romania. Also, again from James Spann, snow falling in Franklin, Tennessee. And also from Disclosed TV, after violent mass protests, France will rewrite part of a new security law that would make it harder to film police officers, Bloomberg said. As you know from my previous video when I covered it, France was having protests because of the security law. So now they're trying to change and rewrite the new security law that would make it harder to film police officers. And also from Ricky for the win, the FCC chairman Ajit Pai will step down in January 20th. And then you see here a little video of a dancing crab because he's happy that Ajit Pai is stepping down. Also from Peanuts, So Long November. And then we have the beginning of December from Snoopy, By November. Alright guys, that's it for this video. December is starting. Let's pray for the people who have been in long lines trying to get food. People doing through the difficulty of the basically the shutdowns, trying to get jobs and everything. So pray for each other for this December. Alright guys, see you guys next time, and God bless.